It is 1 p.m. Good morning. And it's the day after Christmas, so I did stay up a little later than usual. But in general, my day starts around noon, technically. I am a nighttime worker, so don't blame me. Today is show day, and we have a post Christmas show in an island, which means we need to go across the water on a boat, and I'm gonna show you beautiful views. But before that, we need to get ready. My name is Nikki Boo, and I am an international award-winning burlesque performer. I made this challenge to show you a little bit of my life and what I do because I make my own costumes and I am a full time performer, which means I'm working all week and then when everybody has time off and holidays, that's my time to work too. Okay, mi amor, okay. Let's pack our costumes for the show. In order to get to the island, I need to take a car and then walk into a ferry. So I need to go as lightweight as possible with my luggage. I will pack all my props and costume in the reverse order that I will use them. I know, I am a little OCD about this, but I like being able to open my bag in a bar show and pull everything I use without having to spread it everywhere in the table in order to find it. I like pre-taping my pasties. That way, when I get to the venue, I can just peel off the back of the tape and apply it right away without having to lose any second because quick changes between two performances can be hard to do in 15 to 20 minutes like you're supposed to. It is a Christmas after Christmas show, so I'm bringing my signature Christmas burlesque acts. It's a lot of red, it's a lot of white. It is of course Rudolph and the Elf on the Shelf. I got this super cute case for my lingerie from Divinitella in Barcelona that in one of my tours. It is super cool, especially for bras, because it keeps them on the right shape inside your bag, and that's especially good for bras that have a lot of embellishments and rhinestone or glue on them that needs to keep rigid on the same shape. I always pack this little case in my bag with extra tape and scissors and needles and thread. My costumes are organized by category, so for each outfit I have a section for bases, for jewelry, for props, for costumes, and so on. Again, I always pre-tape my pieces and do any preparation that I can so I don't have to lose any time at the venue. And oh, I was forgetting my ears! Other things that I pack for every show is a personal mirror, the dollar bills from my previous show so I can exchange them for bigger bills at the venue, and of course my merch. I have a bunch of pinup photography and if you want one of these copies, please let me know. I'm doing my makeup at the venue, so I'm putting my makeup kit in my backpack together with my laptop because since I started doing content, I don't stop editing video anywhere I go. Okay, time to go. She's not happy about it. My ride left me at the ferry station right on time to get on the boat, but timing worked great because I catch the sunset. Look at these clouds. It does look pretty, but it's so windy outside. Thankfully they have a bar and tables so I could do some editing while getting a snack. After arriving to the island, I went to a bar to wait for my friend to pick me up, and I did some more work in the computer because why not? Finally, we arrived to the venue. Tonight is a bar show, so the backstage area is very small. But I made it work, and I did my makeup in record time. Okay, first look, Elf on the Shelf. And the show begins. And yes, I will stop here because this is how much I can show you on this channel, but since you are here, did you like, comment and subscribe yet? Second look is Rudolph the reindeer. Bar shows are relaxed and you have to adapt as a performer. It's about playing with the audience and improvising, so they can be very enjoyable. And again, yes, things get spicy from here on. After the show, I catch the very last boat bringing me back to the city. And I have to tell you, the lights were so beautiful. It's like a painting. Maybe I was so tired that I was having hallucinations. After every show, or as soon as I can, I like unpacking all my costumes, vacuum my bag for all the leftover glitter and loose stones, and then I hang my costumes and fresh them up so they don't get all wrinkly and moldy. Okay, my friends, I'm officially done today. I had sprayed all my clothes with vodka because it's an old trick and they say it works. And I'm bringing some of them home, like my bra, my G-strings, and things like that. And I'm gonna fully wash them. I'm gonna wash them with cold water in one of those laundry bags, like a mesh laundry bag. So that's it. I'm going home. If you watch this far, thank you so much. I really love sharing what I do. I have a big passion for costuming and arts and theater. I have a lot of knowledge to share and also a little bit of my personal life. So please stay tuned, subscribe, leave a comment, and make this channel grow. I share videos here every Friday, and I am also on other social media, so let's connect. See you next Friday.